This isn't me, but it kind of is. I didn't set up a camera for this, didn't redo takes, didn't even plan to film today. But this video still got made. Now, take a look at these videos. Notice anything? They've hit millions of views, thousands of shares, and they're generating 24/7. But here's the thing. The person behind them never had to pick up a camera. Want to know what they have in common? They all use AI Replica technology. This is something they have that keeps them in the game. Consistency. These channels post 3 times a day because they don't have to deal with lighting, makeup, or bad hair days. Scale. One script can be translated into 29 languages instantly, hitting global markets. Efficiency. What used to take a production team 2 days now takes a single person 15 minutes. The era of I don't have time to create is officially over.
Nice.
Stick around, because I'm showing you exactly how to build your own AI army and make videos just like them. First thing you need is your voice. Go to ElevenLabs. Choose Starter Plan. That's all you need to begin. There's 2 ways to clone your voice: instant and professional. Instant is the quick one. You upload like 1 to 2 minutes of your voice and you're good to go. But if you want it to sound really like you, like scary accurate, that's where professional voice cloning comes in. You'll need a bit more audio, like 10 to 30 minutes, and cleaner recordings too. But the result? Way more natural, better emotion. Mix up your tone, your rhythm, even those tiny speaking habits you don't notice. So, think of it like this. IVC is fast and good enough to start. PVC is when you're like, okay, yeah, this is my actual digital twin now. If you're just testing, stick with instant. If you're building a serious brand, PVC is 100% worth it. Don't just record anything. Talk like a normal human, not like a robot reading a script. Say something casual, something exciting, maybe something serious. Give it range, give it personality. This trick? Record yourself talking to a friend. That's your real voice. After that, tweak the settings a bit. Stability controls emotion. Similarity helps clean up weird artifacts. Takes like 10 minutes, and now your voice can talk for you 24/7. Most people fail here because they just post random stuff. No system, no direction. Don't do that. Pick 5 types of content and stick to them. Motivational, inspirational, entertaining, educational, or aesthetic. And for every video, just follow this simple flow. I call it A.A.A.A. Attention. Start with something that makes people stop. Ask a question, or say something kinda crazy. Agitation. Remind them of the problem. Like how posting content every day is exhausting, and you're running out of ideas. Activity. This is where you show the solution. That's your AI clone doing the work for you. Action. Tell them what to do next. Follow. Click the link. Whatever. Just don't leave it hanging. Keep your writing simple. If you wouldn't say it out loud, don't put it in. If you're on Instagram, just look for the little upward arrow on audio. That means it's trending. Use it. Now we put everything together. If before you even edit, decide who your AI version is. Are you a chill friend or a serious expert? Because that changes everything. We even have an AI Replica persona checklist that you can follow. Or, if you don't want to show your face, no problem. Use tools like CapCut or Revit to generate visuals automatically. Important rule. Change something on screen every 2-3 seconds. People get bored fast. If your video feels slow, it is slow. Speed it up. Keep it around 30 to 50 seconds so people want more. Inside CapCut. Turn on auto captions. For those in, watch on mute. Lower your background music so your voice is clear. Set background music between -3.5 dB and -4 dB. And always sync your cuts to the beat. That alone can double your retention. Now let's talk about staying alive in this game. Always test. Post 2 versions of the same video with different endings. See what works. Then do more of that. Hate comments? Don't fight people in your comment section. Either respond like a professional, or just ignore it and move on. Energy is better spent creating. Post. If you want to get started, check the link in the description.